Hey everyone, it's Riza here, and today I'm diving into one of the Vox blockchain games that really captured my attention. So, if you love strategy, adventure, and epic rewards, well, you're in the right place. So, let's welcome the Acryptia season 7. So, Season 7 is packed with exciting opportunities. You can play for free and start collecting up to 10 awesome prizes right away. So, if you're like me and want to unlock the full experience, so let's grab the season pass and claim up to 44 rewards. So, anyway, Acryptia isn't just about rewards, it's about strategy, and every card you play and every resource you manage can mean the difference between victory and defeat. So, I show you my favorite moves as we go along. Let's enter the dungeon. Okay, honestly, I didn't go through the tutorial as closely I probably should have, but that doesn't mean I'm not interested to learn about it. So I'm absolutely thrilled and excited to jump in and play. So as always, I play a game. My goal is always to climb to the highest level and of course to win the bottle and get some rewards. So I love learning as I go. So let's dive in and figure it out together. So I've been playing Eclipse for a little while now, and the highest floor I've reached so far, I think the 6th floor. I've been managed to purchase a bronze badge using Oni tokens, which I'm super excited about. So, but what I am showing you today is my very first experience playing Eclipse, and let's go back to where it all started, learn as we play, and see how far we can make it this time. So at the start of each turn, the dealer lays out, the dealer names Rug Off, lays out 4 cards across the top of the board. So this could be monster, shield, weapons, potions, or coins, each one critical to your dungeon crawling journey. So your turns begin when you play any 3 of these cards. So once you do, the turn ends and 3 new cards are drawn to replace them. This continue until you've cleared the 52 card deck. So it's so simple, right? So and your player card starts with a maximum of 13 HP, so that is your lives. You also, if you lose all this 13 HP, you will lose your life. It means you lose. So you always have 2 hands and 1 bag. Cards in your hands can be played immediately, while cards in the bag are held for later. It is used for perfect for planning ahead. So if you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed, don't worry. You can seal unwanted cards in the hole on the left to free up space, or use a mulligan to redraw for entirely new cards. So if you use that mulligan, your life or your HP will be reduced into 4. So make sure do the right mathematics. It's a great way to turn the tide when things aren't going your way. So everyone, what are you waiting for? Dive into Acryptia Season 7, claim your prizes, and let the adventure begin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit all the bells so you don't miss any of my Acryptia tips and updates. See you in the dungeon. And anyway, they're running giveaways where you can find the links, where you can find the bounty block links I have pasted on the description backs of this video.